might only have an hour on it, and it might be a 2022, but it's a piece of shit.
Mind if I take it up that hill first, just to see?
Yeah,
get used
go
to
for it. Don't be scared to drop it, man. It ain't never been dropped before, but somebody's got to do it. Do the honors.
Oh, wow. All right. Oh, there you go. What's up, guys? It's Matt here at Power Sports again. We're gonna do a different type of style video today. We're going riding with Braden, Christian Lee, and Garret Porter, and his whole group and everything. We're on the way to Braden's house. We're all meeting there, loading up all the bikes, making sure we all have everything, and then we're heading over to his hunting property. And so it should be a good time. We're gonna do hill climbs, trail riding, just messing around. We got a little bit of snow last night. Apparently they got some of it at their property, so it might be a little slick, it might be a little bit sloppy, but we'll make the best out of it. It'll be a lot of fun.
It'll make things interesting, right?
Oh yeah. Since we're done with all the work throughout the week, we gotta enjoy a little bit, right, Holly?
Absolutely.
We got the bikes in the bed. We got my 2018 TC 250, and then we got the little CRF 110 for Tyler. We're a little farther out than we thought from Braden's house. Everybody was planning to be there at 10:30. Our ETA is 10:42. Yeah. So we're gonna have to cut down some minutes.
I'll keep the camera off the speedometer, so.
Yeah, keep it off.
Yeah.
Anytime you work out or do anything related to exercise, you know, chicken leg can't hurt. I also don't have enough time to really make a full breakfast, so this is actually pretty good.
Yeah.
You want some?
I already had chicken.
I'm not getting any. I was joking. This is mine.
Okay. Fair enough. I do steal enough food off you as is.
Oranges they keep the doctor right, man. Even though these oranges look like grapefruits, look at them. One's red.
Hey, yeah, they still taste good though.
That tastes good.
That's all that matters.
Sure. Still can't have one.
Nice. Can't believe I fell for that again. Oh wow, thank you. It's very generous to you.
You think we can make it all the way to Braden's house with my knees?
Only one way to find out.
Oh, we're not the only ones late. Nice.
Sweet.
We thought we were those assholes that showed up late. So I texted Braden, I was like, hey, we're a little bit behind, we'll be 10 minutes out. Somebody just texted right now saying 10 minutes out. We're 6 minutes out, so.
There we go. Not the last ones. Unless you crash, only driving with your knees. But you're not doing that anymore.
Alright, no one's outside. Oh, no, people are outside. Alright,
So.
let's go, let's see what everybody's about.
How's it going? Got another camera here. What's up, Braden?
Oh, you ready?
Oh yeah, it's good left.
Hey, yo, Garret. How's that bike treating you?
I love it, man. It's honestly, I really thought I was like, I don't know if I'm gonna like it that much, but I love it. It's the fastest 250 I think I've ever been on.
Oh shit, whose is this?
It's dumb.
That's Braydon's. He just bought it. $14,000 for an electric bike.
Ooh.
Hey,
Holy shit, what's the top out at?
it tops out at 50 because like,
It's covered. But I mean, I don't know. It's cool.
It's different. Already put.
Why you guys are making it so comfortable? Hey! Watch the piece of shit. Load it up. Here we go. Right here. Right there. Keep it going. Good style.
I don't like you. Why do you do the things that you do?
Bro, don't
Bop.
fry the bird. Literally fry it.
Dude, it stinks.
Oh, that smells like shit.
I hate my friends.
Yeah, this is great.
Oh, God. So, how far is it to there?
No idea. I guess we're just following them and seeing how far it is.
Okay, hopefully we don't lose
Could be
them.
an hour, it could be 20 minutes.
There they go.
Alright, I guess we're gonna be the last one. So we got 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11 bikes.
Food, round 2. What do we got?
Cheese and steak, keep the doctor away. You want one of these?
If you'll let me have it. See, I learned.
Good
I
answer.
learned.
Buy that.
More food.
Fuck.
More food on the food channel.
This guy, he does it all. He rides, he films, he edits. Look at this guy.
Yeah, he's all over the place. An animal.
Animal. All right, so we needed to take a pit stop before we head to Braden's hunting property, and we're stopping at Mighty Fine Bojangles.
Oh, you missed it. So we're here.
Made it. Let's get the bikes unloaded and get geared up and see what this place is about.
What is that again?
It's my chicken dick.
That's bigger than yours.
Don't put it in my exhaust.
Put it in your other exhaust.
Hey, yo.
How we feeling?
Anybody got an extra bike?
Why?
Homeboy's electric bike, the key's gone.
No way.
Must flew out going down the road. Nobody took it out.
And in order for you to get another key, you gotta have the card that it came with, and the card was on the key.
Yeah, Matt, how do you hotwire that?
That's what I'm looking at now.
See, it's not like hot wiring a regular bike, I don't feel like. You think?
I'm thinking it looks just about the normal ignition. If we cut it here, at least you can get a new ignition.
Yeah.
And that'll be a cheaper
You're gonna
part
need
to do
anyway,
that.
'cause you don't have your-
You're gonna need it regardless.
We're gonna cut it and then we're gonna call KTM and they're not gonna have an ignition for another 8 months.
So it's up to you. If you want,
I
we
mean,
can cut it and just try.
I mean, I won't be able to get a new key made for a week anyway.
Okay.
So it's like, why not?
The only thing I can think of is that card caught wind and it ripped that key out.
The card was literally for if you need to replace your key, you have to have that special card.
13K down the hole right now.
We don't want to think about that.
Yeah.
We're going riding, whether you like it or not. So we're gonna cut this. Worst case scenario, if it doesn't work, we can always just butt connector all these back together.
I put a whole 30 minutes on this sucker. Already cutting stuff.
Under my
There it is. There it is.
Oh.
Hey, screw you, KTM, and your stupid expensive shit. We're riding, boys. We're riding.
Nope.
Yeah.
Yeah. Oh, we're good, baby.
Man, imagine having to kickstart your bike.
Imagine being the slowest one in the group. All right, let's see here.
It works.
That's how you warm up a pitter. Oh, hey.
How's it going?
Good. We're good. We're gonna head out. We're gonna go on the trails, and we'll catch you next time.
That's the problem with that bike, bro. There's nobody.
How is it?
We'll see. Uh-oh. Oh, almost. How'd that go?
Well, I'd rather get the bike up
Yeah.
here at a safe place and sliding all the way
When
down
you
the
let
hill.
go of it and started sliding down the hill, you're lucky I grabbed it because I was coming after you.
That was exciting.
Yeah.
No, it sucked. The first one I was like, oh, I'm gonna get a
Yeah, you
second
did
time.
good the
Nah,
first
you-
time.
And then the second time in the beginning I slid out and then I aimed right for the fucking two rocks that you go in between.
Yep.
And then I was in my head. I fucked up the
Damn.
third time. That man. That's
I
why I
was
stick to
content with that
track.
second one.
Kills.
Not as bad where it's not snowy. This snowy's it's still a bad hill climb, don't get me
Oh,
wrong,
yeah, I
because
bet.
you're going through tight shit.
I didn't think the snow was bad until I dropped in the first time.
Yeah.
And I was on both brakes and I felt like I was on a sled.
Just kept going.
I just kept tapping trees.
Imagine riding a Suzuki. I
was gonna say something. I was waiting for someone else.
Ride in the snow.
Get the camera before it blows up. Suzuki.
Yeah, why are you taking a nap, dog? We all made it. Come on, bro. Get up here. Don't find that. You're right. It didn't have much weight. I was actually trying to cool your bike down. Yeah, no problem.
Right on the radiator.
I think we're headed out, right?
Yeah, we're gonna load out.
Oh, went out a little too much.
So to add insult to injury.
So this is the newest addition that they added on CRF 110s. It's basically to simulate like you're moving fast, but you're not. Ready for this? Look how fast I'm gonna go.
It's just too powerful.
We gotta come, the KTM, we're pushing it up here and we're gonna come pick it up in the truck, so I guess we can pick up that one too.
Sweet. Hell yeah.
Bro, but I'm so mad at today. What the fuck happened?
Everybody's breaking.
Yeah.
All the bikes are breaking. I'm fucking broke. Who else is broke? Someone else is out of me. I can't be the only broken person.
My brake lever's bent, so I can't
Your
use my
brake
back
lever's
brake.
bent. You can't use your brake.
Yeah, brake is pretty bad.
Okay.
Hey, Matt's about to get a lot of business, baby.
Hey, I need to fix my own goddamn bike.
Work at my-
Hey, when we texted earlier this morning, we said so it was going to be interesting. So at least we
But I
did
figured
interesting.
it'd be interesting with a bunch of crashes and riding. Yeah. Not this.
Not broken bikes and broken people.
Hey, Matt, did you hit the hill climb or no?
No, I like my bike too much to do that.
Hey, you didn't hit the. You didn't want to
Matt
hit the
didn't even hit the hill climb. I hit it.
With snow?
I hit it.
With snow?
Thank you.
Hey,
I'll go hit it right now. Go.
I'll take my bike, I'll follow you.
Let's go.
All right. So what's the line? Just right there?
Yeah, you come through here.
Over the bridge.
Over the bridge and just up.
Oh, the bridge, god damn it.
Woo!
Whoa, it's a little sick with the snow, boy.
Not bad.
It might only have an hour on it, and it might be a 2022, but it's a piece of shit.
Mind if I take it up that hill first just to see?
Yeah,
get used
go
to
for it. Don't be scared to drop it, man. It ain't never been dropped before, but somebody's got to do it. Do the honors.
Oh, wow. All right.
I think it might be the tire. See, it goes once you're moving.
Oh my god, yo, Matt's ripping
Oh
on
yeah,
that
no,
thing.
Matt can ride, bro.
He can ride.
He can ride.
This thing is pretty sick. You like it?
It's fun, but like for some reason, I don't know if it's because I'm going slower, so it doesn't have any power in that low end.
Yeah.
The low end's not there. Yeah, be
right
careful
there.
coming over the bridge.
It's definitely slick.
Yeah.
Oh, there you go.
Dude, that was impressive. I almost had it. So close. Oh, it's gonna roll. No way.
Hell yeah.
Hey, that's one way to break her in.
How does it feel?
I'm not doing that shit again.
We're all done here. Hill
Brandon,
climb, parachute
why
hill.
don't we drop you
Yep,
there?
we're gonna head
Check
back to
back in. We'll get the bikes. We'll check back with you.
You want to explain what the situation is getting around the woods?
As we showed you about that really cool feature on the CRF 110, he is no longer able, our cameraman is no longer able to ride it. So we're doing nut to butt, back all the way up.
Hey, we're doing nut to butt too.
Oh yeah.
Oh, sweet.
We got nut to butt square.
You want to have a race?
Oh, we'll win.
Oh boy.
All right, so we got two fallen soldiers, the KTM 250.
All right, so talking about fallen
We got
soldiers.
two fallen soldiers, the KTM 250 we think found the plug. We got that out of the woods. The CRF for this special, you know.
We already went over that.
Yep.
You
So
were
we're gonna have to bring it with the truck back, and then I'm gonna ride this back. So we'll catch
Wait,
you back
your
when we get
bike
back to
guy
this house.
So we got all these bikes loaded up. Yeah, there's that too. Pretty cool. Got these two bikes strapped down. That one's just kind of sitting there, but it's a piece of shit. We don't care about it, so it's all good. Other side?
It's a little tight back there.
Well, I'll make it work.
Holy shit.
You got it, buddy.
This is the smallest back seat I've ever seen.
Good post-ride snack there.
I forgot I got chicken.
No! More chicken.
I got chicken and I got the mac and cheese and the potatoes.
I thought you just had the chicken.
No, I got the sides. Remember? That's why I was like, they didn't give me a fork because I had side.
Well, more food to be eaten, because you know we're a food channel, right?
Everybody's.
Now we're out.
All right, man.
Take it easy.
Yeah. Peace. Peace, man.
All right, see you, Garrett. Nice seeing you again.
Hey,
See
nice
Christian.
seeing you,
Braden.
Next time,
much,
we're
my
gonna
man.
fucking have it right.
You need both legs, man. You need both legs.
Both legs, running bikes, cleared trails, no snow.
Sounds good with me.
I'll say, hey,
forward
get your
to it.
knee right.
Tomorrow I should be fine.
There you go.
All right, thanks, guys. Really appreciate it.
Hey,